So, but yeah, that's also proof that the Hebrews too over the world and that scattered around the world, we've been scattered, we've been mixed with different nations, um, you know. So that's why we can't exactly say, this person Hebrew and bloodline and they're not, because a lot of us have some different mixtures. But yeah, they were native to the nation. They were already there. They were the first discoverers of the land. And like I said, how they correlated with the Hebrews, there's so many correlation. Um, One of the known chiefs in the Seminole area, which is in South of America, in Florida area, his name was Ahaya, Chief Ahaya, and that's actually that's actually the name of the Most High, Ahaya. Ahaya is actually spoken in the Igbo language today, in the Hebrew language. The word Igbo comes from the word Hebrew or Iber, one of the grandsons of patriarchs, one of the grandsons of Shem. Shem was one of the sons of Noah, right? So um, Ahaya means his name. Thus, where you could say correlation with he is, or I am. All right, Ahaya, and then where we say Yah. Okay, so he's one of the popular chiefs from the Seminole County. I'll say Seminole County. Well, that's where Seminole County come from the Seminole tribe, right? Seminole County is in there in Florida, but the Seminole tribe is existing today